Your father.
You called me father.
No. Yes. Oh, you tell him. No, I'll tell him.
Gonna start this beat.
No, don't tell him. Let's don't tell him. No.
What did your father be sweet pea or me father?
More than that.
You call me father every sweet pea?
Commodore.
You call me father every sweet pea in the Commodore.
And Captain Bluto.
Oh.
He is. Me father ain't no kidnappers.
Oh, he is too. He's a rat, a crook, a kidnapper, and a bad father and more.
More?
Yeah.
Well, it appears that your father is Commodore.
It's lies. There ain't no